So as we all know, the better your preparation with any kind of DIY project, the better the end result. The product I have here, the Patio Clean Extreme, basically a pre-treatment of that is going to achieve several things. Firstly, we want to get rid of the black spot, which is very stubborn. Secondly, obviously clean the surface, but what we don't want to do is pressure wash too aggressively, possibly one, damaging the pointing, and two, making the sandstone and the natural stone even more porous. So on this occasion, a pre-treatment of the product is not only going to save us a lot of time, it's also going to be a lot more efficient, and thirdly, as I say, it reduces the risk of any damage to the surface, to the pointing or the stone itself. So when we're applying our pre-treatment product, whether it be our Patio Clean Extreme or any other product, it's important to make sure you're wearing some kind of safety wear. This product can be applied by a watering can or a sprayer. I'm going to apply by a sprayer, so it's also important that I put some goggles on, because you never know when a hose could burst or something could happen. The last thing you want is this kind of product anywhere near your face or your eyes. So I'm going to demonstrate on a small area here, just so you get a feel for how efficient the product is. And as I say, what you need to avoid is basically pressure washing these surfaces too aggressively.